How to verify Facebook profile with Blue Badge. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now tap on your profile at the top right corner and then scroll down and tap on Help and Support. As you tap on Help and Support, tap on Help Center option. So here it will take you to the Facebook Help Center option, and all you have to do is tap on this search bar at the top. And here all you need to do is just tap on how to get a blue tick. So just search for this option and it will give you the list of options for you. Now all you have to do is just tap on request a verified badge on Facebook. So when you tap on it, you'll be able to see different options to get the verified badge. So scroll down and here you can see the option of verify your profile or page. So just tap on fill out this form. So you have to fill out the form to verify your profile. So here you have to tap and fill on this form on what are you verifying. So just tap on profile or page and provide a profile link. Next, confirm your authenticity by providing a document type. So the document could be driver's license, passport, national ID, or anything else listed below over here. Next, confirm your notability by showing that the public figure or celebrity or brand your page or profile represents is in the public interest, and also show your category where you belong. After that, tap on your country or region, your audience, and you can add your social media accounts link over here on 5 different links that has been given to you as an option. So after that, you can just tap on send and it will lead you to the Facebook Help Center's team and they'll contact you within 24 hours. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.